optical illusion worms, or maybe like a rope or something, because we want to make them look like they're moving, all right? And this uses a lot of the same techniques from the hand optical illusion, all right? So let's get our new piece of paper. And again, I still recommend you use a pencil first, but I'm gonna use my Sharpie so you can see it better. Now, you can do 2 lines like I did, or you could add 3 lines and make more ropes or little worms going across your paper. I like 3, I think that works best for me. So to get started, we're gonna use some very smooth, wavy lines. Not like really crazy, woo, wavy lines. We don't want that. We want smooth, wavy lines, and that's what this looks like, a smooth, wavy line. And if I want 3 little worms or ropes, I need 2 vertical, wavy lines, okay? That's what a smooth, wavy line looks like. Now, on my finished example here, I have all of mine going in the same direction. But with this example, I'm going to show you a way to make this a little bit more complicated or elevated just a little bit more. So this side right here, I'm going to leave alone to show you how I did this. But these 2, I'm going to add a horizontal wavy line, and I'll show you why in just a minute. So let me make my horizontal wavy line. Now, on this one, if you want all of your ropes or worms to look like they're going the same kind of way, then don't draw this horizontal line, all right? So to make our worms kind of look like they have this texture, we're gonna use little rainbow lines, okay? And it's very important that we follow the next couple of rules, all right? We need to start and finish, start and end in the corners. So these would be the corners or the sides that I will be using. And then on the next one and the last one. Optical illusions do have a couple of rules to help them look like they're tricking the eye. So I started right here in this corner and I drew my rainbow line and I ended in this corner. Again, that's a lot of space. If you want to draw a smaller one, you can, but you need to start and stop in the same spot. As we go up the paper, it's really, really important that our little rainbows look like they are stacked on top of each other. That is how we make these little ropes or these little worms look round. Just like we did with our arm, we want them to look round. They don't all have to be the same size. That's really kind of hard to do. But just the idea of starting and stopping at the same spots will help us get the idea that these are curved. Again, don't you worry, I will fast forward this. Start and go off the page. Same over here. Start and go off the page. And there, you're done. So that is what I did for all 3 of these. I had them all going in the same direction. But if you want to get a little complicated, you can have them going in 2 different directions. And this will make them look like they're really bumpy and kind of turning on you. So up here, this would be the top. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna have our rainbow lines going up this way. But on the bottom, we're gonna go the opposite direction and go upside down. These almost look like little smiles for a smiley face. So you can see the difference here in going all the same direction, and then here it really makes these little worms or ropes look like they're really turning on you. Now again, you can use your Sharpie over your pencil line or your marker or your colored pencil, but we're gonna follow those same coloring techniques like we did for the hand. So again, with the crayon, you can, whoops, you can color lightly. I'm gonna try and do this so everybody can see. Color lightly, no, not a lot of pressure, okay? And then on the corners, the ends here, this is where we're gonna put more pressure and color a little darker and get lighter as we get to the middle. And same thing over here. And again, you can do the rainbow colors like I did, or you could just pick 2 colors and create a color pattern that way. And here, if you do the light coloring in the middle and color the ends dark, that's really gonna make these look like they have a shine, and that really helps make them look round. Right? So go gather those supplies if you haven't already and make your own optical illusions.